The heavy rain that Justin has been telling us about is here. The downpour started late this afternoon, and it's already causing some problems. The H1 freeway near Kahumanu is starting to pond. Justin Cruz joins us now with more on this wet weather. Jus?
Joe, it looks like we'll have another day of the potential for heavy rain and thunderstorms. That flash flood watch, which went into effect this morning, covers all islands and basically is telling us that we could see thunderstorms pop up and that heavy rain continue. So parts of the state have been in and out of a flood advisory or a flash flood watch. Earlier today, we saw some flood advisories for the Waikoloa area. We still have one in place right now. There's also some heavier showers that we're moving through areas such as windward portions of the Big Island and offshore, moving into Kona. More heavy rain over the next hour. And then the heaviest rain definitely today, where we had that flash flood warning for areas such as Pearl City and Pearl Harbor, and you could see the wet weather is still there and actually extends all the way up through Waialua. And so this wet weather situation, as far as these heavy rains, looks like it's going to linger and possibly move into town. And earlier today, we did have a flood advisory for the windward portions of Oahu. As you can see, Maui County right now, not really seeing that heavy rain, just light to moderate showers. So again, the heavy rain continues for parts of the state at least through tomorrow evening. However, the Big Island can continue to see some of that heavy rain through Sunday. We'll have more on that wet weather in just a bit.